Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into your Shipstation account. To log into Shipstation, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in shipstation.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Shipstation. To log into your existing account, click the login button at the top right hand corner. In the login page, go ahead and enter your email or your username associated with your Shipstation account. Now make sure to enter your password correct in the text box right underneath and then click on Login. Go through the CAPTCHA and then you will be able to log into your Shipstation account in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.